Hi there, students. A redneck. Okay, this is American slang. This talks about a poor, rural, usually white person in the United States. So this is an insult. It's offensive. It's derogatory. Yeah. So this is implying that they're without education, that they live in the countryside, and probably that they have unreasonable ideas and beliefs. They're prejudiced. Probably they want to go back to the old ways as well. So a redneck. Now, notice why redneck? Because their neck, the back of their neck, is red because they spend all day working in the sun. Yeah, and it gets very sunburnt if you're always working in the fields bent over, and I think that's the idea of a redneck. It's not going to be somebody who works in an office. A working class white person from the southern states of the United States, particularly somebody who's very traditional, a provincial bumpkin, a yokel. So yeah, all of these redneck towns, redneck farming towns. There are lots of jokes about redneck. Yeah, this is quite an insult. If you call somebody a redneck, then you're saying they're uncultured, they're from the countryside, you disapprove of this person, you think they're uneducated, they're bigoted. Yeah, so there was some redneck from Arizona shouting at me. Yeah, as an adjective. So these rednecked ideas, prejudice, reactionary, rednecked attitudes. Okay, so a redneck. Yeah, he's a redneck, and there's no point in asking him to be polite, because I just don't think he knows how to. Yeah, and then as I said, it's the idea of the back of the neck always being sunburnt because you're always working outdoors. Yeah, somebody with very provincial ideas, perhaps rather racist, certainly uneducated. Yeah, so don't be such a redneck. Formality. Woo, 3 informality. Use it informally. Could you use it in this? No, I think use it informally, and that's where to use it. Notice one word, yeah, both red and neck together. So, well, I'm sick of all these rednecks and their the problems they're causing in our local society. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Redneck.